up 1.
Second flight of the day. Gonna work on some more TikToks and see what happens.
Idle up 2.
Sometimes I forget to move my head and track the helicopter. Seems like it never fails. Every time I go to fly, the wind picks up. I'm thinking I need to add more collective. That's why I keep losing altitude.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Yeah, I fly around to shake it off. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, follow that up with a few blade farts.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Man, this is getting frustrating. One more time. Let's try a rainbow.
Stands out pretty good, Terry.
I followed those up with an inverted Puro punch out with the wind, and it took me way out real quick, and I lost sight of the helicopter.
I can't see it. There it is. That thing got out there to hurry, didn't it? I had to hit the rescue switch.
Yeah, hitting the rescue switch at least kept it upright, because I had no clue. Let's try a few more TikToks.
Time remaining 1 minute. Idle up 1.
Well, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications. Stay tuned in. This week I've got more videos from this weekend. And thank y'all for watching.
30 seconds. Timer stop. Hold mode.